Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to block pages or profiles on the Facebook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the menu button down below and tap on settings at the top. After that, scroll down to the audience and visibility section and click on blocking. Here you will be able to see the blocked people, and if you want to add a new profile to this list, click on the plus icon and type in the name of the profile or the person that you would like to block. Type it in and then click on the block button on the right side, tap on block. And as you can see, you have blocked this profile. As you go back, you will be able to find its name in this blocking list or blocked list. If you want to unblock them, click on the unblock button and they will be unblocked. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.